Hey powerful creators! It's your girl Jaleesa and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my Chebe Butter. But before I do, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell for more updates from me. See you soon! When it comes to making homemade hair products, I like to use all the ingredients my hair loves. And you can see, ladies and gents, that is a lot. One of the main butters I'm using for my Chebe Butter is Maroon Maroon. Maroon Maroon is a highly moisturizing butter. This butter will help keep your hair shiny, soft, and healthy. It has a nutty smell to it, and I actually really like that smell. The second main butter I'm using is Kapuasu butter. Kapuasu butter absorbs water extremely well and will help your strands maintain moisture for days. This butter is a great choice for any hair care product. Next, you'll add 1/3 cup of cocoa chips, which is about 6 to 7 chips. Add 1 cup grapeseed oil. Add 1 cup olive oil. Then 1 cup of castor oil. Then I did 1 lid of Procaxi oil, so I just poured the oil into the lid that it came with. And then I did the exact same thing for the Brazilian tree nut oil. Here you'll see me add a few drops of various oils, such as vitamin E oil, beryllium oil, rosehip oil, and rosemary. You can add whatever you want, whatever oils that you have at this point, like lavender, whatever you want. When adding additional essential oils, think of smell. So what kind of smell are you going for? Do you want a sweet smell? Do you want something that's more natural? And then also thinking about things that your hair really needs that an essential oil could give that extra oomph. Oops, I almost forgot to add the coconut oil. You don't have to do this, but I did. Just 2 scoops. Now we are ready to melt our butter. This step probably took me about 45 minutes to an hour because I melted the oil on the lowest temperature possible and allowed the butter and oils to slowly cook over time. Make sure while you're doing this, you're mixing as you go along. Once it is completely melted, we'll add a 1/2 cup of Chebe powder to the oil, because what is a Chebe butter without the powder? Mix, 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 mix. Mix it all the way up. Mix it very well. The more you get to know me, the more you'll know that whatever I do, I always will add henna. I just love henna. My hair loves henna. So of course, you know, we gotta put that 1/4 cup of henna in it too. Okay, so our very last ingredient is going to be our aloe vera powder. We're going to do 1/4 cup of aloe vera. The reason why I'm adding it is because I just like aloe vera like I like henna. Mix this up very well, and then we'll cover it up with some plastic wrap, put it in the refrigerator, and let it sit overnight so it can get hard. Once your butter solidifies, you will want to whip it together. You will whip until a butter-like consistency is achieved. The time will depend upon how much product you have. And there we have it. This is how I make my Chebe mix. I like to store this in a fridge when I'm not using it. Thank you all for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for more videos.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day.